Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Malachi.
How old are you, Malachi?
I'm 9.
And where are you from?
London.
Okay.
North London.
Who are you with?
I'm with my mum. Yeah, and that's it.
Are you a bit nervous? All right, Malachi. Good luck.
Good luck.
When you're ready. Really cute.
Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. What's on my mind? You should have known. I just carry on singing.
Doing so good. You were doing so good. Is it okay to sing on? Yeah? Yeah, I can feel it. You tell me if you want to sing on it. You tell me. What would you want to do, sweetheart? You want to sing again, yeah? Who wants to sing again? Just relax and enjoy it, Malachi.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen.
Alicia?
Malachi, it's very, very simple. You are a star. It's a natural, raw talent. That's what we're looking for. That was amazing, sweetie.
David?
Yeah, I thought that was a really, really special audition. I agree with Alicia. You're a total star.
Simon?
Well, I've got to tell you, what I like about you, you're brave. You know, you got off to a bad start, you picked yourself up, and people are going to like you a lot. Okay, let's vote. David, yes or no?
$1,000,000% yes.
Alicia?
100% yes from me. Well done, Malachi.
Absolutely brilliant. Well done. Yes.